Hello, everybody. My name is Damian Martinez. I'm 22 years old, and currently I'm a senior here at UTSA pursuing a bachelor's degree within digital media influence. In 2024, I earned my Associates of Arts from attending Northwest Vista Community College. And after graduating this year, I intend on putting the skills and knowledge that I've learned along the way into a career path that focuses more on advertising, specifically product or brand advertising, as well as working within personal content creation, as it is something that I've been quite fond of since the early stages of my life. Now, my interest for digital media didn't really start until early high school. You see, going into high school, I didn't really know what I wanted to be, nor the career path that interested me most. And with that being said, I selected a random elective that would later set the next 4 years of my high school life. Having been introduced to that introduction course for digital media and the next 4 years of learning more specifically about how to use Adobe software, specifically Photoshop and Illustrator, and fast forwarding to now where I'm learning how to build my personal brand as well as tailoring my art as well as work in general towards specific audience, I'm eager to enter this professional digital field as I know that it's a market that's continuously growing as well as innovating and becoming more competitive to get into. And though that may seem very halting, it is something I'm excited to participate in as it is something that I know that I could add my own unique take to as well as further grow upon my own capabilities. Along this educational journey, something that I've learned along the way from previous group projects as well as community projects that I've participated in is the value of connecting as well as authenticity. You see, personally, I feel as though many try to blend in with a lot of the trends that we see from our day-to-day lives as well as within our social media platforms, and now have become very hesitant to take their own unique twist to certain ideas. Now, I'm not saying that we shouldn't get involved within these trends, but rather take the different aspects that we have learned from our community and rather think of the different approaches that we could take to that. This is ultimately what led me to build the foundation of my personal brand, a space where everybody is able to contribute and freely express their ideas and collaborate within a community that helps generate and bring these ideas to life. With over 6+ years of experience with working with Adobe software, having an educational background in digital media as well as art, and working and leading in past collaborative projects, this is why I invite everyone to participate in a community known as DigiVisuals. As I'm someone who struggles with the initial stages of creativity, as well as someone who needs the extra push to get started and is hesitant to receive critique feedback in fear of being judged, this is what persuaded my mission and purpose to foster a culture where individuals can explore their ideas and develop a visual voice that feels true to who they are. Moving forward with this course, not only do I want to obtain the credentials that shows that I met the satisfactory needs, but I also want to further equip myself with the necessary skills of how I can stand out and bring my own originality to the table. As for the goals that I have set for myself when it comes to communication growth, I want to learn more as to how to effectively communicate my thoughts and ideas and the processes that go into conforming messages towards specific audiences. And how I intend on being successful in each of these aspects is by taking the opportunities provided by this course, reflecting on each of our projects, as well as receiving critique feedback from you all.